Hi, my name's John Marshall and I am a mobile app developer. I've been creating mobile apps for about 7 years. I've made them in a variety of ways using Eclipse and Android Studio and Xcode and so on and so forth. And these videos are all about me helping you get your mobile business up and running and creating a regular monthly income from yourself using mobile apps. Today I'm going to talk to you about Android app development software. We'll take a look at that for you. There are more than one way in which you can make mobile phone apps. I imagine that most people immediately imagine having to learn at least one computer language in order to create a mobile app. And there are plenty of languages to choose from. Android apps are often written in Java, but it's possible to create Android apps in a wide variety of computer languages, including things such as C#, Python, HTML5 and Kotlin. But thankfully, none of that is necessary. You can build profitable mobile apps using an app maker of some sort and avoid learning any code whatsoever. The apps you can build still look great, work well, and can be profitable for you. You don't need to make Android app development difficult, really, you don't. Yes, there is always something of a learning curve involved when it comes to making mobile apps using an app maker of some sort, but it need not take very long to get up and running with your first mobile app. I've tried online app makers as well as software that runs on my PC or Mac, and you really can make some beautiful apps using these tools. Developers used to use a piece of software called Eclipse to create Android apps, and I built quite a few on it myself. This is still available and it's free to download and use, but it was superseded by Android Studio, which is also free to download and use. Now that's great if you want to go down that route. However, using Android Studio requires quite a lot of learning, and you would need to be able to code in order to write an app from scratch using it. Now that may suit you if you want to put the effort into learning how to use it and how to program, but I would suggest a different, faster, easier approach. You can use Android app development software for a much faster start. One of the hurdles in learning to code is that it takes time. It takes a lot of time and effort. And let's face it, you want to build your business as fast as you can. It's very difficult to stay motivated to learn to code when it can take a long time and you have nothing in the bank to show for it whilst you build up the necessary knowledge. It's much easier to stay motivated when you see the cash starting to come in quite quickly. Even a fairly small amount of money is highly motivating because you can see that things are working and that your efforts are being rewarded. So, I suggest using some online Android app development software which you can learn to use quickly and easily and start to get your apps onto Google Play and Kindle and other stores if you wish. You can get going fairly easily because the best of the Android app development software services are drag, drop, copy and paste. No coding is needed, but you still have a lot of control over the look and feel of your apps. The learning curve is really quite short. To be honest, if you can use a word processor, then you can build a great looking mobile app. My honest advice is to start your app development using a piece of software that will develop the apps for you. You may well find that it gives you all that you wish and that it's all that you ever need. I believe that you will stay well motivated to keep developing apps if you adopt such an approach, and you will hopefully see your income building as a result. The other thing to remember is that you can always carry on and learn to code whilst building your apps with an app maker if you wish. That means that your skills will be enhanced if that is what you really want to do, but your mobile app income will be building at the same time. And that's the whole point of the exercise, isn't it? If you'd like to find out more about building mobile apps, please go to appcopilot.com, where I will have some more help and advice for you. Take a look today. Many thanks.